we're trying to figure out what two values does this sum, what two numbers is it in between? Well, you could look at this sum and know that it's going to be less than 1. So you can automatically throw out E for sure. And it's going to be more than 0. It's going to be more than 1/9. You can throw that out. So let's figure out, the common denominator will be 27 plus 27 plus 27. So that's going to be a 1. And that will be a 9. And that will be a 3. So that's going to be 13 over 27, which is close to a half. Now these are getting smaller, and you're adding them to 1/3. So we know the lower number is going to be 1/3. Your answer is going to be 8. It can't be B because the sum is almost a half and this is a third, so throw that out. And if you look at D, look at the larger numbers more than 1. Well, it's not going to be more than 1, so throw that out. So your answer has to be C. This value is in between a 1/3 and an 8/9.